My Strimmer sounds terrible and won't run. So I spent £15 on a kit off Amazon to see if I could get it to start. Do I do it? Can I make it work? The moment of truth. Well, follow along as I take out all the old stuff and fit this new kit. I actually bought this kit a year ago, but I haven't been brave enough to try it out until now. But faced with the prospect of getting this fixed, of paying 150 quid, I thought, well, time to put my big boy pants on and get on with it. If the idea of doing this is really daunting, then I have done a narrated version of this video that is really helpful and supportive through all the steps with not a lot of complicated jargon. So if you'd like access to that, sign up to my newsletter on fix-make.com and I'll send you the link. Now let's get into taking the Strimmer apart. the moment of truth. I've primed it. You saw me prime it. You got to have the start on. I've got fresh fuel in there. I've got the choke on. It should pull in 1 or 2 pulls. Oh, switch the choke off. I'm pretty happy with that. I haven't adjusted the carb at all since I put it on, so I'll set it to the still recommended settings with the high and low screws, but yeah. God knows how long it'll last, the cheap Chinese knockoff, but it fits and it works, and I don't have to pay 150 quid to go and get it fixed. So, yay, you can do it too. I filmed that video in just about real time, apart from moving the camera around. So this video is, what, 10 minutes long? That's how long it can take to replace a carburettor and the spark plug and the air filter and the fuel pump. I never thought I'd do that, but I have. And all it takes is the tool that the Strimmer comes with, which undoes all of the nuts and bolts, all of the screws, except the one for the air filter, which is an 8mm nut. So there you go, really happy. Now for some I've got lots of things on my website, fix-make.com, and if you sign up to the newsletter, you'll be notified when I put out a new video. I put lots of stuff on there, what projects I might be thinking about doing. So if you want to have some input into the next video you see, you can respond via the newsletter or send me a message. I'm on Instagram and YouTube. Those are the 2 channels I'm on at the moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you're still here, try spotting the dog in all of my videos. If you can put the time of when you first see her in the video, you might win something. Hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Come on, kid.